Got two young Eurasian coot. Yep, the sacred kingfisher. It's two kingfishers? Yeah.
Both sacred.
Both sacred. Both sacred, and both look like young birds, like probably recently fledged young. We've had this flood which has spurned on this breeding event. Lots of water birds have bred up over this last little while. There's been plenty of food around for the adult birds to feed their chicks, and so there's been a really great survival rate of the chicks. One particular Australasian darter nest I was watching had 5 little chicks in it, and I just went past that again this morning, and all 5 of those chicks have survived. So they've got to the stage where they've fledged, which for a bird means it's grown its adult feathers and can now fly. So they lose their little downy baby feathers and develop their flight feathers. And so the concern is that if we go into a dry period now and the wetlands dry out, there's going to be not enough food for all those young birds to now reach adulthood and join the adult population, so then they can breed. And because there's been over the last 30 years, there's been a huge decline in waterbird numbers in the Murray-Darling Basin. So somewhere between 70 and 90% of a decline. A lot of species have really taken a hammering during the millennium drought, but we've also had impacts from river regulation. A pretty sad story for waterbirds for the last 30 years. These last few years have been the first time they've actually looked like they've started to recover. So we really are hoping to get enough habitat for these young birds to survive to adulthood and join the adult breeding population.